Hey everyone, JJ Kegel here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the signature for each of your email accounts different from the other ones. So instead of just having one uniform signature across all your email accounts, you can actually have a different one for each email account. So how we're going to do this, we're going to go to Settings, scroll down to the Mail, click on Mail, and we'll go into the bottom and click on Signature. And then we're going to switch this from all accounts to per account. And now we can go ahead and customize our signature for each separate email address. And once we've customized them, we can go ahead and hit this back, and that's it. Those will now be unique and specific to each individual email address. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.